Coach Saiful with your Daily Dose Math Mastery, and today we are going into your question number 1 of your assessment paper number 9. Alright, so let's take a look at these questions. These questions are pretty cool. Percentage. Alright, very simple. I already taught you all of this. This is basically a test of what you've done before. Okay, so 2 1/4. What does that equal to? If you remember, 1 whole is actually the same as 100%. So 2 wholes will give you 200%. What is 1/4? 1/4 is actually the same as 1/4 times 100%, which gives me 25%. So the answer is 200% plus, oops, what's happening to my hands? Divide by 4, you get 25. So the answer is 1 times 25%, which gives you 25%. So the answer for part A is 225%. Alright, very good. Let's move on to part B. Part B, again, is 1.28. Okay, 1.28. If you remember, 1 is 100%, so 0.28 is actually the same as saying 28 divided by 100, which is the same as 28%. So answer is 128%. Very good. Let's move on to part 3. Part C is 3/8. How do I convert a fraction into a percentage? We just multiply it by 100%. So you take 3/8, which is 3 divided by 8, you get this answer, 37.5, 0.75. You times 100% will give you 37.5, and the percent stays. So the answer is 37.5%. Very good. Let's move on to part D. Well, we're really flying here. 630 grams out of 4.5 kilograms. Is that correct? Oh, 4.5, yeah. Okay, so this one, as you already, if you can remember, is basically we have to change this to make it the same as this. Okay, it's either up to you. You can change the gram or you can change the kilograms. What I would do is I would change the kilograms to grams to make it easier. So it's the same as 630 over 4500 grams. Okay, how do I find the percentage? A fraction times 100%. So I take my handy dandy calculator. 630 divided by 4,500. Oops, that's 4,520. Okay, which is 0.14. So 0.14 times 100% will give me the answer of 14%. Very good. Let's move on to the final part of this question. Did I do all? I did, yeah. 48 seconds out of 1 hour. Now again, this is a different unit. So what we do when we have different units, we change it to the same. Now seconds to hour, which one is easier? I would definitely change the hours. So therefore 48 seconds, we keep it as 48 seconds. 1 hour. Now 1 hour equals to how many minutes? Equals to 60 minutes. So now is it everything we times 100%, right? Is it the same unit? Not yet. It's seconds and minutes. So now I need to change the bottom to seconds. How many seconds are there in 60 minutes? So think about it. 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 60 minutes has 60 times 60 seconds, which gives me 3,600, then times 100%. Now we can get the answer. So 48 seconds we keep, divide by 60 times 60. Okay, this is not accurate. This is not accurate. 60 times 60 gives me 3600. Okay, so 48 divided by 3600 will give me the answer of this 0.013333. We just times 100 and we'll get 1.333. So leave it as 2 decimal places, you get 1.33%. Very good. And those were all the answers for question number 1. If you got all of them right, very proud of you. I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Alright, and that leads me to the quote of the week. And the quote of the week is short and simple. Decide now to have no fear. That's not a quote, but that's actually something that I want to tell you because it's so important. You have to decide now to have no fear of math. If you are fearful of math, your brain will screw you up. I mean, your emotions will screw you up. Your brain will not be able to process things as fast. So decide now to have no fear at all. Okay? And then we move forward and we'll make sure your primary 5 exams are superbly done. Alright, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.